A lot of people don't even think about cleaning the air ducts in their house because it's just out of sight, out of mind. We go into houses where they have bad allergies or they just came back from the hospital, and we go in and start by cleaning the entire HVAC system. We don't accept low-level service. It is always offering the best service possible, always doing what's right for the customer, and we stand behind our work no matter what.
Positivity affects everything. It affects us growing, it affects us being a leader. You have to consciously try to be positive, and it really affects everyone.
You know, you develop a culture that people want to come to work, they want to offer great service, and they want to know that they're doing something a little bit more than just a job.
When someone sits in a truck all day and drives from job to job, it changes your attitude and how you feel about yourself when you're driving in a nice vehicle. With the 1500s, we're pulling around trailers, we're pulling out lifts, and the towing capacity is amazing.
The main success for our business comes from all of our employees. It comes from hiring the right people and motivating them to be better.
We want to be perceived as a leader because we want to be the best. We want to be the best air duct cleaner. We want to be the best service company.
I always want the competition copying us, because if they're copying us, that means we're doing something right.